Hi guys! So today, samahan niyo akong i-review yung bagong mic na nabili ko. So ito yung Boya Ultra Compact Wireless Microphone System nila. So tara. So right now, I'm using the old lapel mic that I have, yung traditional one na with wire. So let's test the Boya mic, okay? So ito yung box. Buksan natin. So, ang inclusion niya is, kamaya itong item na. So, inclusion niya is yung manual, syempre. And then, ano pa? Tsaka yung warranty. So, the box includes the transmitter, then dalawang mics. Right, test natin. Samahan niyo ako. So, as you can see, ito yung sound without the noise reduction, okay? Without noise reduction. So, as you can see, ito na yun. Hello, mic test. So, right now, kayo yung nakakarinig kung okay ba siya, kung hindi siya sabog, maganda ba yung audio niya with the Boya wireless microphone. Tapos naka-noise reduction nito. Okay? So, ayun lang guys, na-test natin. So, sobrang ganda nga niya sa mga nagbablog dyan, sa mga gumagawa ng content. It's very practical to buy this kind of mic. Because, di ba, a good content comes with a good audio. Ayun lang, ang di mag-like, pangit.